Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two indoor grill brands will be going head-to-head. We have the T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill and the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill. Are you fond of grilled foods but the nearest barbecue place is miles away? Then you may want to check out indoor grills. They're great for the simple reason that they do not produce smoke like an outdoor gas, wood, or charcoal grill. That said, indoor grills can be great appliances for those without outdoor space or for anyone who wants to replicate the easy, fast, great tasting, and low-fat cooking you can expect in a full-fledged outdoor grill. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top-of-the-line indoor grills, the T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill and the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 5 badges from our team at TrustedShopguide.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you are interested in the other indoor grills that we reviewed, do check out our indoor grill review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these indoor grills will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and form factor. Size is an important factor to consider when looking for a good indoor grill. Most kitchen counters are already crowded with various kitchen appliances, dishes, and condiments, so choosing a form factor that's ideal for small or roomy countertop spaces is very important. Additionally, it's also important to consider the shape of the indoor grill since it brings out the unit's compatibility with your kitchen decor. The T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill measures 18.9 by 9 by 14.8 inches, while the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill measures 15.75 by 16.54 by 11.1 inches. As for weight, the T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill is a lighter machine at 11.5 pounds, while the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill weighs 22.4 pounds. This makes the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill a more attractive choice for those with little countertop space to spare. For its more countertop-friendly design and lightweight package, we'll be giving the first point to the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill safest pressure cooker. That said, we believe it's a definitive winner of this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their capacity. Different indoor grills have different sizes, so the number of servings cooked at a time may also vary. Generally, indoor grills will be able to serve between 12 to 15 people simultaneously. For this reason, we suggest buying a grill that can cook enough food for your entire family. The T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill features a large cooking surface that can cook up to 8 servings. Made with non-stick die-cast aluminum and non-stick plates for effortless food release, you'll have no reason to look for another indoor grill elsewhere. The Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill, however, is no slouch in this department either. With a whopping extra-large capacity, its grill grades can fit up to 6 steaks, up to 24 hot dogs, and even main courses and sides at the same time. Although it all comes down to how large of a party you're cooking for, we will proclaim the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill as the winner of this category. Having a large capacity than its competition, it allows you to serve more people with room for seconds to spare. The score is now 2-0. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their cooking programs. Cooking programs that automatically adapt the cooking process to each type of food and cook it perfectly help make cooking so much easier for people who aren't used to their way around the kitchen. For this reason, we believe that the number of quality of cooking programs that indoor grills offer should never be overlooked. The T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill features 9 auto-cooking programs including burgers, poultry, sandwiches, sausage, red meat, fish, pork, bacon, and shellfish. This pretty much covers all the greatest hits, so you won't have to worry even if you've never touched a pair of tongs since you were born. On the flip side, the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill allows you to choose between 4 smart protein settings including beef, poultry, pork, and seafood. As far as cooking programs go, there's no denying that the T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill is one step ahead of its competition. Having said that, it takes this round and earns 1 point to take the lead with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their heating power and technology. Cooking with an indoor grill will never be as strong as cooking with an actual grill. For this reason, your indoor grill should reach the temperatures of at least 475 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is key to getting that tasty char in your proteins. The T-FAL OptiGrill large indoor electric grill has a maximum temperature of approximately 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure that you can also cook your proteins with the perfect grill marks and doneness as your outdoor grill. As for the competition, the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill also features a high heating element that can go all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This cyclonic grilling technology circulates air around food for amazing surround searing, providing your food with delicious char-grilled marks and flavors. For its impressive cyclonic grilling technology that pretty much makes sure that your food is cooked perfectly every time, the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill wins the round and ties the battle up at 3-1. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of cleaning. Outdoor grills are hard to clean when you don't exactly know how to handle them, which is why the appeal of indoor grills is strong. Indoor grills usually feature non-stick cooking surfaces that help make cleanups much easier. For this reason, it can be a very important factor to consider, especially if you want to have more time to rest and unwind after a night of cooking. Cleaning the T-FAL OptiGrill Large Indoor Electric Grill is a breeze thanks to the removable dishwasher-safe non-stick plates and dip trays. However, the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill is also very simple to clean. In fact, cleaning up after cooking with this indoor grill will take less than a minute because you can just place the grate and grease catcher in the dishwasher. Although both indoor grills are very easy to clean, it is still clear to see that the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill is a much easier device to clean than its competitor. For this reason, it earns the final point in this battle and finally settles the score in which indoor grill is the best. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of indoor grills between the T-FAL OptiGrill Large Indoor Electric Grill and the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill beats the T-FAL OptiGrill Large Indoor Electric Grill by a wide margin of 3 points. As much as you would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these indoor grills offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill has already claimed its throne as it waits for the next battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks, the battle between the T-FAL OptiGrill Large Indoor Electric Grill and the Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next indoor grill face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.